So I want to go through the elements briefly. Everything that is drawn on a screen, on a page, is called an element. And it is important to understand what it is that what you can do with them. So the first thing we want to do is to pull up our tools palette, click on the pointer. First thing that we want to do is show that we can select these and we can move these around. So you can move them, you can change their position, you can also select multiple ones and move them all together. Okay, computer's running a little bit slow today. We have the ability to lock these. So if we go to and select an element and we do our right click, then we can lock the element like that. So it shows up as it is, but we can't select it. We can select it, but we can't move it. So we can choose to select and lock multiple elements at the same time so that we lock them into position and that anything that we do on top of them is not affected. So let's unlock those because we want to do something differently with them. Okay. All right. So we also have the ability to move, as we just showed, we can move these elements here. We can also resize them by grabbing one of the parts on it. Now, when we're doing the corners, you're, of course, dragging it in and you're changing the ratio on it as well. When you are pulling it in from one of the panels on the planes, you're actually changing the dimension, the ratio of the dimensions. Now we can also change the, we can group these together. So by doing this, when we grab these, we can group these. So we're not locking these, but we are grouping them that they are now all one element. And so it moves all as one element. And we can resize that element. Make it grow small and make it grow large. Okay, let's ungroup that. We can also rotate these elements by clicking on the circle bar. We can change them and rotate them. Now, another thing that we can do here is we can create what is called a hyperlink. In a hyperlink, we have the little world that shows up on that element, and the hyperlink can be attached to anything, and it will allow you to take it to a file or a internet address, or open up a video, or do anything that you want to. Simply by clicking on that little world symbol, it will take you someplace, wherever we have that going. And it doesn't necessarily look like that one is connected. Let's try that one. Okay. So this one is opening up and it's taking it to our website. Isn't that cool? Again, things are moving a little slow today. Okay.